Bullish Dogelon Mars, Elon, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.000007156292 and $0.000001 by 2030. Market experts accept Elon could reach $0.00000556600051 by 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000001272297. Dogelon Mars, Elon, presentation. Dogelon Mars, Elon, is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers portray it as a fair general cash for individuals and an interplanetary money utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital money yet, in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Unexpectedly, you can get them with Ethereum, ETH. Despite the fact that this cryptographic money has an enormous and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This cryptographic money guide will reveal all that you really want to be familiar with Dogelon Mars and its elements. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based environment used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading products, making installments, and compensating patrons. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021, be that as it may. There's no data accessible about the symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper framing its central goal and targets. Nothing recognizes Dogelon Mars from other crypto tokens concerning utility. You can purchase, sell, and send it to crypto wallets. Yet that is valid for pretty much every advance cash. Nonetheless, the Dogelon Mars engineers have done a couple of exceptional things. 1. Elon Group didn't do a pre-sale or keep tokens themselves, since they needed to make a fair money. 2. The task's underlying inventory was 1 quadrillion Elon tokens. 3. The designers reproduced Shiba Inu's exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the Elon tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a cause devoted to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel Elon's drawn-out incentive for essentially a year. Dogelon Mars is at present worth $0.000001590287 United States dollars. Elon has moved 0.57% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,197. Dogelon Mars is at present position 263 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $87,410,575 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars, Elon. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Dogelon Mars, Elon market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. Elon. The Elon cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.000002385430. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow. However, no significant drops are normal, averaging $0.00000222640221 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Elon is supposed to have a base worth of $0.00000190834446. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Dogelon Mars, Elon cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Elon will before long outperform $0.000003975718. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Elon's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Elon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 0.0000031805744 and a typical exchanging cost of 0.000000349863118. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 0.000000556600051 and Elon might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Elon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 0.0000050888919 and a low of 0.000000477086150 in 2025. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2026. Assuming that Dogelon Mars effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Elon coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Elon will be green in 2026. The Elon is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.0000007156292 with a base cost of $0.000000636114887 and a typical cost of $0.0000006679262. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Elon cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.0000008269493 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.0000007951439 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Elon has a greatest value worth of $0.0000008746579 Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.0000009859780. In the event that Elon figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.0000001, neglecting to accumulate the help Elon needs by 2028. Could bring about a low of $0.0000009541723. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2029. While Elon is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed.